remote, and he can walk beside us if he wants to.
Yeah,
or he
that's
can
pretty
sit
cool.
there and work it.
Okay, we're gonna go down here in the yard and check them out.
Putting all the cars back where they belong. Each one of these containers all the way down hold trains and train cars and engines. Why would you want to do that? Why would you want to?
Because there's several tracks. This and several trains.
Okay.
You pull it down.
Engines for like $100,000.
$100,000 some of these?
Some of them. I don't see them really expensive ones
Wow.
right now.
That is great.
But that's the whatever it's called. You move it down the track.
Oh, okay.
And you load your train on it, and
Neat.
that way it gives you access to the tracks.
Wow. Yeah, amazing machine work and detail in these things. Crazy.
It is crazy.
Yeah.
Apparently that's a common thing. They make them.
Yeah, a lot of machine work goes in there.
And when you take it out of the container.
Nice. They're all in the train yard here, getting ready to roll. Camouflage. Yeah, the train tracks go up those mountains over there for miles. It's a pretty massive thing here, and they told me this is a county property. It's a floodplain, so they just kind of let them use it down here. Looks like this is where they make the ties, molds out of concrete to make the ties for the railroads. And here's some of the little cars here. Amazing scale on these things. There's a bunch of cars out here getting lined up. It's like model trains, but they're about 18 inches high or so. Like the detail on some of these. Well, some of them are kits, or it looks like some of them are handmade. Yeah, they're setting up their trains for the day. I got permission to film and do a little drone in here. There's a gasoline powered one there with looks like a twin engine in there. There's the round table. Here's some fantastic steam engines here, actually run on steam. Beautiful workmanship there. We have a whole bunches of them in here. Union Pacific. Look at the detail in there. You smell the diesel on this one. I think it's diesel powered. Probably the diesel's in that tank here. This is how they store their cars in these containers. And there's lots, rows and rows of these containers, so there's lots of them down. There's a real signal rack there. Well, let's go on out, and I got permission to fly the drone, so get the drone up in the air. Yeah, now we're at the old railroad museum here in Saguaro. A little steam boiler there. This little engine.
A few things that have been done on loan, but most of it's been donated. So
Yeah, some neat little lamps there.
yeah, all the stuff on that back shelf there came from a member, and his father collected all that stuff.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
One
he
guy.
was really throwing it away, so he kept.
G scale, and then all the way up to HO up there.
Yeah.
Amazing, beautiful. Little springs on the trucks.
You know, he was making everything plus or minus a half thousands, right?
Oh, right, yeah, really
And
precise.
it just won't run that way.
Oh, yeah, yeah, a little too tight of tolerance.
Carried it over here and donated it to us.
Wow. So that's all handmade?
I'm pretty sure that one was probably built with mostly the machine parts.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Apparently it was run on air at one time, but with all kinds of beautiful stuff on it. Look at all the little frilly.
So is this a kit here or something? Or?
No, that's the way it came, right out of the box.
Oh, out of the box, okay.
Yeah. On the domes.
Yeah, the detail.
They let yellow line.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
But a bigger version or something? Or?
No, Buddy L came up with that
scale?
That scale.
Huh.
We had an original here, but Jerry took it home when we got these. These are a guy over in MLS.
Story on this little
Guy that built
streetcar or
those
whatever.
Was from Minnesota or someplace,
Yeah.
Wisconsin back there, and he patterned them after the streetcars that used to be there.
Wow.
This one belonged to him, and that other one belonged to his wife.
Oh, really?
And they actually run, they just need batteries.
Really? Wow. And this one here's got a seat on the top.
Yeah, well this one does the same thing. We just
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
have the seat on it. Cell phone, all that stuff.
Yeah, I'm an amateur radio operator, so I know about those keys.
Yeah.
There's an old side swiper.
What kind of radio gear do you run?
That's amazing there.
Yeah.
Wow. Beautiful.
Yeah, if you have any more questions, just holler.
Okay, I appreciate it. There's some big ones here. Wow, that's a beauty. Steam locomotive, all working. Amazing detail. Boiler, firebox.